Since we're on the topic of QD, Hans, maybe you want to show us the what you got on Matic right now.
Sure.
It happened.
Yeah, that was awesome. Ryan, did you want to create an election and share your screen? I know you just got done bridging some GTC.
Sure. I wasn't super prepared that
Live
that
demo.
was the ask, but I will do it. Here we go. And we'll have a big discussion later. If anyone is, by the way, just going back to the QD that just happened, if anyone feels they were under rewarded or over rewarded, or there's any complaints about fairness, bring them to me later, because I
100%.
understand that the first like 10 times we do this, it's going to be unfair until we figure it out. So,
Totally agree.
Here we go. Awesome. Thanks for making that happen, Austin. Now we move on to QDmatic. We'll get that on a subdomain for quadraticdiplomacy.com soon. So Creo, gotta connect.
Oh wait, we're doing this on mainnet right now?
On Polygon mainnet, no?
Small amount, yeah.
Yeah, nice. I just thought it's going to be Mumbai, but yeah, nice.
You know, I am curious though, because there should be 0 elections. Okay.
The election name is, so it's Polyquadratic Dogfood. One of those random machine names. Okay, and the funding allocation, I bridged 10 GTC, so I guess we're using 10 GTC right now. And the vote allocation.
GTC? That's dope.
Yeah.
Dope.
Yeah, I'm the whale.
Setting that bridge up. How did you initiate a bridge to get set up?
Yeah, so the bridging was through this Polygon bridge. You do an approval, you do the send, and then it gets picked up by the validators on the other side, and it gets minted. It gets locked on ETH mainnet. It gets minted and sent to your address from null on Polygon mainnet, and then the reverse is you burn it and it gets released. So,
but what I was wondering is the bridging of, like, someone had to deploy a token over on Polygon that represented GTC, and the validators have to be able to mint that. Like, that must have gotten created earlier. This didn't happen like you hit a couple buttons.
Yeah, no, this wasn't me.
Someone initiated. Yeah, okay. And so that's really dope, though. GTC bridge to Polygon like solves a lot of our issues because we can just do a lot of these over there now.
Yeah, the gas costs were still significant with the magic of Ethereum mainnet, but yeah. So vote allocation, let's call it 30 votes. And let's add a big list of ENS names. So what's this election for? Is this just everybody in dogfooding right now who has an ENS name? I think it is. Throw some ENS names in, boys. Fahim.f. I gotta get out of the habit of calling everybody boys.
Wait, are we doing this with meta transactions?
Who knows, man?
No, this is just mainnet Polygon.
Oh, so I mean, I think everyone will need the mainnet Matic then.
Yeah, so if you use like a wallet on the Polygon bridge and you use your ENS account address, then it should work just fine, right? Hopefully.
Yeah, but he means that we need Matic tokens that we can vote.
Yes, that is important. That's very important. In fact, if you don't have Matic tokens, I would suggest that you do not participate in the election. Should just be a small amount anyway, right?
We need that token dropper. Didn't we start like a sign for tokens build? That we need to get someone on.
We're gonna need that for Matic.
I don't think it's on Matic right now is the only thing there. Okay, added. I guess this will just take me a minute. Set up a poll.
You know, we actually might be running into some RPC request issues here for Infura. Hey, Swap, is Swap here?
Yeah.
What are those requests looking like on your end? Because if we're not getting the elections, there should be 3 elections on this contract right now, and it should be showing you your.
more than
account balance.
more than 100K now. Yeah,
Okay, so heads up,
that's another issue with the. I could get more requests, right?
I could. Well, if you just want to.
Yeah, it's 50 per month, but I'll just do it right now.
Do it. Just do it. I'll send you the tokens.
Also, like Infura on Polygon is like pretty bad, so you might actually want to use Matic Vigil for Polygon stuff.
Yeah, I just put the link in the chat. I was
Okay.
going to say the same thing, Anki.
Yeah, I just got it.
We ran into an issue when we were using the Matic Vigil RPC. I don't know if it's rate limited, but when we were three people on the QD Matic search, it was erroring out.
Interesting. I have a dedicated key, so you can try that, maybe, because those are pretty nice.
There's some issue with the scaffold ETH too, that it sends this like ETH balance request. Like I don't know if it's polling for it, but that's why these requests are so large, because it continues to like do those calls.
Oh, hey, be careful with the ENS resolver here, Ryan.
Okay.
So yeah, you're going to need to delete those manually and then double check that address that you just added is actually resolved and you didn't add it twice. We need to disable that button while it's resolving. We just haven't added that feature yet.
Okay, so.
Oh, yeah, blank, exit out of that. Oop.
Cool. This is the magic of dog food. I got a spacing issue.
Mm.
Oh, it happened more than once.
Mm.
And also my mouse is defective and issues double clicks. So that's something to know. Oh, what happened? No, I don't want to.
I'll take you to your scan.
Okay.
Oh no, if I'm set to participate and I have to drop at the half hour, you guys aren't going to be blocked on me, right? Like maybe X me out because I have to dip in a little bit. Unless it's okay if I only half participate.
You can, as an admin, you can end it anytime you want. That's up for debate about whether that's even a valid thing to enable. But right now, that's the
word.
Okay, 0x UEDK.
Yeah, maybe it's a good time to bring this question of should the people be obligated to vote all their votes? Like, should they use all their votes?
Like,
I'm of the belief
you might end up having people like vote and not know, right? Like it's like a confidence thing. Like if you are super confident, you put all 25 votes on something. I don't know. This is like this is a subjective debate, I think, right? But I feel like it's okay if people leave a few votes behind rather than forcing them to make them. But that's just my gut feeling.
Okay, so some of these are resolving all the way, some are not. It's a long list. Feel like I'm just confirming. Yep, seems like I'm just confirming. Also, Wilson, trombone.f is easily the funniest name in this list.
That's the best.
It rules away the others.
Maybe you should edit the gas.
Austin gave me a suggestion for a funny subdomain, so I'm gonna point that towards his ETH address.
Yeah.
What do you guys think this gas limit should be? Oh, okay.
Since you're on Polygon, it's lower, right? I would just take whatever the defaults are with Matic.
Yeah, I think like 10 is like enough,
yeah.
I think.
Yeah. It should go in a few seconds if you just use the defaults, I think.
I'm getting a refresh. I see it on my end.
Cool.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
More tokens for us.
Oh, it looks like we got some UI bugs though. Moonshot Coordinator seems to expand the table very far. We did not account for it. At least on my end. It's weird that it's not showing up on your end.
So I ain't seeing Jack, so I'm gonna reload.
Mm-hmm.
This is RPC and like event parsing and stuff like that. Your RPC node can there you go.
Oh, okay, here we go. So Polyquadratic Dogfood, 16 candidates, none have voted. Let's see what that looks like. I did not make myself any of the electors, so I can't show that off. Hans, maybe you want to show your screen for that
Sure.
part?
There we go. So if I go back here, you're going to see that weird width issue. Don't worry about that right now. We're working. UI is always a questionable thing. You can see that on my candidate, 16 votes. Nobody's voted. It's active. It was created today. Let's check this out. I don't think we've ever had this many candidates, so this is going to be brand new. It looks like we're going to have 4 different pages that you're going to have to parse
Look at all those
through.
pages.
Paginated.
Right,
I
so
think there's a big bug that if you go to the second page and vote, it's counting on the first vote, like the first page votes.
Oh no! Oh no!
We never accounted for
That's a
voting.
big problem. Okay. I guess this is great because we have never had this many candidates in an election. So I'm just going to go through here and click one and see what happens.
Only the people in first page are going to get votes.
Oh no!
You know, that might be unfair.
Wow.
Trombone on the back page. Not getting any love.
That is a big bug.
Maybe it's sad.trombone.eth, huh?
Sadtrombone.eth, please.
So
Oh
how
my
can
god,
we...
sad trombone.
We can fix it right now, right? Like, I mean, after the dog fooding, I mean, yeah.
Good dog fooding
right
though.
now.
Like that's why we do this. Like we force ourselves to do it, and then when we're forced to do it, we realize, oh shit. And that gets us closer to having those game time ones work out. So
this is
I gotta
what we're all about.
This is awesome work, you guys. Congrats to like the Moonshot as a whole for things to be able to execute as well as they have the last couple days. So happy Bowtie Friday, everybody. Hearts, hearts, hearts. Great work. Keep hacking. I got to go up into the mountains. See you guys.
Have a good one.
Bye. Thanks.
Okay, so what should we do about this?
Just cast some votes. I'll leave it to you guys to.
But this is real GTC though. I mean, like, you know, maybe we should just hold off until we surge a new version that just has a single page. Because I don't want to be giving out, it's money, right? Like
blood money GTC. Yes, I get your point.
I guess that's fair. So this election is going to remain open until dog fooding on the 24th when I am back, because you need my keys to close the election. So so just savor that dog food for a couple of weeks. Hans, you guys, when we got that new front end, put it on the all chat, and we'll bring it back up next time. All right, so that was awesome.
Hans, can you add more voters after creating the election, or it's just at the time?
It's at the time. So you determine the voters when you create the election, and being a candidate in an election allows you to vote on other people as well as be voted on.
Sorry about that, Ryan. Yeah.
All good. You guys don't need to apologize for anything. That was a success. Okay.
Exactly, yeah.
That was a successful dog fooding. We ate the dog food.
That was awesome.
It was a little crunchy, but we can go back to the drawing board, right?
It's so good to know
that no one.
It's so good to know that
it's
that's
on
a bug.
Polygon, so that's pretty solid.
Yeah. So I don't know if we want to continue looking at that. I can share my screen for that, or whoever is sharing their screen right now.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen, but I'm not an elector.
Yeah, so if you guys want to witness the vote, then,
there were some votes have happened.
Wait, why am I seeing Hans on Ryan's screen?
Yeah, we are seeing your Jitsi screen.
Oh, troubling. Troubling.
I thought that was Ryan for a while, and then I was like, oh wait, there's the Jitsi screen. So yeah.
Let's see about all that. Oh, life is so full of confusing rigmarole.
Oh yeah, 2 people did vote.
Yeah, a couple people got some votes in there. So so we'll do this if someone who's actually an elector should be sharing their screen actually. And I got a knock at the door. I'll be right back, guys.
I suppose I could share my screen for actual voting. Thanks for resolving that so quickly, Swap.
Yeah.
I posted an issue in GitHub, and you must have just you must have gotten right there. Okay. So so I'm just gonna go through here, and we're gonna test this out. We're gonna do it live. Did it work? Cool. Everybody is gonna get at least.
Someone has two. Did you see that in the third page? I see the same ENS with two entries.
Ah, weird. Wait, somebody has two?
Yes. See, we need to fix that.
Oh, Steven. You're getting 0 votes for me, buddy. You're getting 2 on 1, and that's interesting. Well, that's good to know. You shouldn't be able to enter an election twice. All right, so I'm going to cast a ballot. We're just going to hit confirm.
So we're just doing this for testing? We're just giving everybody a vote here, I think?
Yeah, you can just vote any way you want. I don't care. I mean, for me, because I'm doing it live, I'm just going to give everybody as many votes as I can. So there we go. I just sent off that transaction.
Can you repeat who's on the project, like in the Matic part specifically?
It's me and Swap mainly for development. Ankit helped. Farhad has made a couple of pull requests. But this is just a test version. You know, it doesn't really matter to me. It's just nice to know that these bugs are here with this many people. It's kind of great.
It's nice to know for sure. Yeah, this isn't a real like milestone payout. This is a dog food.
Mm-hmm. With real money.
Yeah.
So yeah, this transaction is going through right now. It's probably going to take a couple of minutes, so I'll just stop sharing my screen. You guys feel free to vote whenever you want.
So why is it going to take a couple of minutes? Because shouldn't the whole point of being on Matic is that it's cheap and fast? No.
I don't think it's fast. It's cheap, but I don't think it's fast.
It's not necessarily fast, especially with like MetaMask's defaults for gas and stuff.
Yeah.
It seems to be kind of wonky with Matic.
A bug? Question?
Sorry, my tab crashed there. Gotta kick this evil Ryan.
Hey guys. So I'm seeing a bug where like I voted, then once my votes completed and I switched to the different page, it restarted the votes. Like.
Oh.
So your transaction is probably still going through, and once your transaction.
Oh, so you're still on the voting page, and
I'm still on the voting page, and I'll try. I'll share my screen and like run through it quick.
Sure.
Yeah, there's also a bug with the event. I think that if someone else votes, sometimes it clears out the screen.
Full votes, right? So I'll just give like everybody one vote.
And you've already voted, right?
I haven't voted.
You've already sent that trend. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's just refreshed the screen for it.
Yeah, so the event cycles it's kind of funky right now. Where
yeah, I don't know if someone has been dealing with the events of Scaffold ETH. I need to just think about like how the events are working because it's a bit confusing right now.
So now if I like switch.
Okay. Man, we're talking about fairness. I don't like that Steven's getting all these double votes. Steven, you got to recuse yourself.
Okay. I think it's good.
It's good to know, though. Because that means that we need to change something on the front end as well as the back end for restricting duplicate addresses.
Yeah, I think dog fooding sessions are here to stay. They're obviously really useful.
That's nice.
Yeah, just getting this many people on it is like this is exactly what we need. It's great to know that that the event-driven one works so flawlessly. It's just badass, really.
Yeah, for him that bug, I think we know what it is. Like if someone else voted when you're trying to vote, it kind of refreshes the screen right now. So we need to fix that. Because it's an event thing, like.
All right, so let's give everybody just another minute or two to cast all their votes, and then I'm going to close the election. So you should be able to see it. And here we go.
Nice.
8 people out of 16 have voted. We've got a lot of absentee electors who don't care about democracy. That's fine. So it looks like some people are going to be getting 1 Matic GTC. I click end. Many spinners spinning. 10 spinners spinning. Okay, here we go. Confirm. Transaction sent.
And this is just going to be closing the election. So nobody will be able to vote afterward, but you're still going to have to go through this extra process.
Approve quadratic diplomacy to transfer GTC. Okay, did not expect that, but so I have this, and then I have one more transaction after this as well, correct?
Yeah.
Right. This is approving the allowance for the actual election. That way you can just directly pull from that address.
Got it. Got it.
And I guess we can just pray and hope it works.
We must lean on our faith. Now I have that Christmas song stuck in my head. So we are waiting on Polygon.
So cheap.
Okay. Cool. So that happened.
And if it does it right, then it should automatically refresh that button. Otherwise, maybe try going back
Hit it with a
and
refresh?
then going into the election.
Oh,
refreshing is weird in Surge, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's true that the refresh did not work earlier, and I was going back to the.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it looks like there's also some more cycle bugs.
Okay. Something weird with this button. I think it got double clicked, and then maybe it didn't
No, it's
like
fine.
it.
It's just kind of buggy.
All right. Matic mainnet GTC is happening. Fahim, Hans, you're balling now.
Now there's going to be a bunch more holders.
Oh yeah, no, we're exploding. It's huge.
Maybe I'll move some of mine over to Matic.
Status inactive. Election payout complete.
Need a place to stake them.
Looks like.
Are there any staking platforms that are playing off the like Dracula theme?
No, there's on at Phantom Network. There's a lot of there's Reaper, Spooky, and Spirit.
Yeah, I think I got it.
Like that.
So I go to Polygon scan, my
I got it.
address, and we find out whatever became of me. So this payout election happened, and there it is. Yeah, let's get a look at it. So a bunch of people just got a bunch of fractional. 3 people got GTC, and everybody else got fractional GTC.
Nice.
Sick.
Take a screen. Send that. Can you send the transaction?
There's more actually, yeah.
Sure. Transaction to the chat.
Also, I mean, I think we're planning to meta transactionize everything, right? So in that case, I think we can then also vote without having Matic. So I think a lot more people can vote then basically.
Mm-hmm.
So rah, this was awesome. Thanks, Hans and team for putting this together. This payout does not represent the milestone payout.
$10.
We're gonna get Austin to put like 1,000 GTC on Matic and then figure out where we go from there. Maybe anyone who wants to think deeply on what the Moonshot Collective Matic GTC story should be for legitimacy. I think that the delegate, it's one of our top priorities at Gitcoin DAO that GTC on mainnet be used for delegation. So think about how that story makes sense. And actually, speaking of delegation, we've got DAOmart, which was designed to be the sink for Candy, which is the reward for GTC stakers on Ethereum mainnet. So maybe we will see some of that tasty dog food.